first question says that complete the table. So as you can see, we have a table where we have three columns. We have to write the fraction form, the decimal form, and the percentage form. So for the first row, we have the fraction to 7 over 100. We have the decimal to 0.07. So for the percentage, we will multiply either the fraction or the decimal by 100. And that will give us the percentage, which is 7%. For the next row, we have the decimal and the percentage. They want us to find the fraction. So what we can do is we can pick either of them. So pick the percentage. 35% is basically 35 over 100. And we can even simplify this because both 35 and 100 come in the 5 times table. So it's going to be 7 over 20. Then for the last row, we have the fraction just 305 and we have the percentage 60%. So let's just rewrite 60% as 60 over 100. So we move the decimal 2 places to the left, and that's going to be 0.6. So that's your decimal. The next question says that shade one more square to make a pattern with the rotation symmetry of order 2. So for the rotation symmetry of order 2, what we will do is, if we rotate this first, it's going to be like this. This is the first rotation. And then for the second rotation, what we will have is so as you can see, to have the same shape as this, we need to color this box. And then we will have the exact same thing. So we color this box. So what you do is you rotate the shape depending on what the rotation symmetry of order is. We rotated it twice. This is the first rotation and this is the second rotation. And I rotated it in the clockwise direction. So this became this and this. The next question says plot the data on the scatter graph. So they've given us a table of values. We have the job duration hours and the corresponding charge in pounds. So we have to plot this on the scatter graph. So for 1 hour, it's 60. For 2 hours, it's 80. For 3 hours, it's 104. For 4 hours, it's going to be, again, for 3 hours, 160. So then for 5, it's 128. For 6, it's 140. And for 6, again, it's 160. So this is a scatter graph, and they want us to describe the correlation. So since there's a positive slope, it's going to be positive correlation. Next question says calculate the volume of the cylinder. So volume of cylinder has the formula of pi r square h. R is 4, h is 10. So pi times 4 square times 10. So we do 160 times pi, 502.65 centimeter cube. That's your answer.